He's like 60 years old, man.
Oh, let's see how high the water gets on them, eh? That's ridiculous. You found someone's glasses.
There you go, you want them?
Awesome.
There you go.
Look at how deep it is. It's past their knees.
Yeah, I'm not walking in that.
That's ridiculous. Oh, did he stall? Or is he just sitting there? He's just like, murmur. Oh!
You're done!
And he stalled!
Done!
That's horrible. The cops are coming. You don't want to move anyway. You want to move this way. You're going to stall out like that Jimmy did, so...
Jump the curb!
Go around on the curb like everyone else is doing.
Just come do a U-E.
Yeah. Go around them.
Just do a U-E.
There's nowhere you can go. You can barely see now that it's like flowing.
Yeah, I did this 4 years ago. I'm not going in now. No thanks. He's good.
Oh, you should just rip right through it, man. He's in an Explorer.
Yo, buddy. Yo, you should see this flood I'm at. You should see the flood I'm at. I'm down on Southland. Remember 4 years ago when we were up to our hips, buddy? Pulling out that Mercedes? Well, it's like the same thing here, just, yeah. People are just ballsing it up, going right through it. It's getting stuck, right? Huh? I want to bring my fucking Sea-Doo out here, dude. There's 4 feet of water here. I swear to God, I'll back it up right here and start with it. Right?
Baby! Karma's gonna be good to you now.
They call me Superman. Oh.
Here you go, baby. Oh, they pushed both cars out of the way.
Like a sewer blew up full of water and the whole area
Is the lid still on and the water just pushing through the holes?
No,
Oh, the lid's off now?
Southland and fucking my feet, I can't even feel them. Hey, don't even try it, man. Yeah. Yo. No, I know, they'll take it. What? Oh, yeah? You catch my rescue?
Oh yeah, I got everything. I have 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes of video.
Post that YouTube, let's go. My feet are cold, let's go. It's good. My feet are cold.